Hello everyone. Today I'm thrilled to present our mini project idea, which is NexQ, law-based chatbot. Um, it is developed under the guidance of our mentor Sudharsanam N at Savita Engineering College. This innovative chatbot is designed in order to bridge the gap between people and then the legal professionals by offering instant and accurate and reliable legal information. So let us begin with the challenge that inspired us with this project. And yeah. So the legal information is often difficult to access for the general public due to complex terminologies, high consultation costs, and delay in getting the response. Many individuals and small businesses find themselves overwhelmed with complexities of the legal procedures. Recognizing this problem, we planned on developing NexQ chatbot that uses natural language processing to make legal knowledge accessible, affordable, and easy to understand. So the primary objective of NexQ is to address the common legal questions uh, related to the contracts, employment laws, and civil disputes, etc., etc. It offers like a simplified answers that are legally correct and reducing the dependency on expensive consultations for basic queries. So, for instances, a startup can make use of the execute chatbot and obtain guidances on their intellectual property rights, and small businesses can manage legal compliance more effectively. So, the chatbot's long-term vision includes featuring like multilingual projects. Multilingual supports state-specific laws and document drafting capabilities. So right now we have made use of the Indian Penal Code. So it is like for the overall India apparently. And so moving on to the methodologies. Yeah. Okay. So NexQ's development began with collecting legal text status and case laws from verified sources, which is apparently the Indian Penal Code overall. This ensured that the chatbot's response was not just reliable but also precise. The process of handling user queries involves three key steps, which is first the input. The user submits a query through the web based interface. Processing happens, and using the retrieval Q&A and the advanced NLP techniques, the chatbot analyzes the query and determines the user's intent. Output. So for the output, the chatbot generates a legal, accurate, user-friendly response. The system architecture includes one second. So the system architecture includes a secure background with Flask, a responsive front end designed in React.js, and a database powered by MongoDB. The chatbot is we are planning to host it on a cloud platform like AWS, ensuring that the scalability and reliability of the project. So Docker containers are used for consistent performance across environment. This robust design ensures NXQ operates efficiently regardless the complexity of the query it has been provided with. So to be talking about the algorithms and the techniques that we have made use of here. Okay. So the chatbot uses BERT, a transformer-based model, to identify users' intent with high precision. For query matching, the TF-IDF algorithm ranks the relevancy of the legal documents, ensuring the chatbot delivers an accurate answer. Additionally, GPT-based models convert the complex legal jargon into simple languages, making the response accessible to everyone. So the key aspect of NextQ is to focus upon the implementation of practicality. So for instances, the chatbot's like front end interface allows the user to input legal queries seamlessly. And let us take an example. Okay, let's take an example here. So here, for instance, a particular person is asking a question. Apparently, yes, is giving false information is a crime, and the chatbot not only confirms that it is wrong, but it also provides you with the metadata on from where it has been obtained. So the real reliability has been confirmed here. And so let us take the look at results of the chatbot. So we can clearly see that NextQ has achieved an impressive 92% accuracy rate, and in providing legal responses, the average response time is around 5 to 10 minutes. We are trying to reduce it to 2 seconds. 5 to 10 minutes, sorry, 5 to 10 seconds, sorry, which significantly enhances the user experience. Feedback from test users revealed that 85% found that chatbot to be both accurate and easy to use. These results highlight NextQ's potential to revolutionize the access to legal information. So, looking ahead, Okay, so looking ahead, NexQ has exciting plans for the future. It aims to broaden its database, including more legal domains such as intellectual property rights, international laws, multilingual, and adding voice recognition, etc., and various other features. NexQ's impact aligns with several United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So, the Sustainable Development Goals include promoting justice, reducing inequalities, and fostering innovation by making legal knowledge accessible to everyone. NextQ empowers individual and business alike, setting a benchmark for integrating AI into legal domain. Finally, I would like to take a moment to address about the software and the hardware properties. So apparently, the project was developed upon system which was equipped with Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB RAM. You can run it on a 8 GB RAM as well, but processing might take a bit more time than what it took for us. So NextQ is hosted on cloud platforms. We are planning it on hosting it on cloud platforms, and then we are making use of tools and frameworks like Python for backend and Flask API for front end, React for front end design, MongoDB for secure data storage. So, on an overall, in conclusion, XQ is not just a project, it's a transformative tool. It simplifies the access to legal information, reducing the burden on traditional consultation methods, democratizes legal knowledge for all. By leveraging the AI technologies, NextQ paves the way for innovative solutions in legal domain. So thank you for your attention. I hope this project gave you a clear. I hope this presentation gave you a clear understanding of my project. For further details, you can find the complete source code. United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So the Sustainable Development Goals include promoting justice, reducing inequalities, and fostering innovation by making legal knowledge accessible to everyone. NextQ empowers individual and business alike, setting a benchmark for integrating AI into legal domain. Finally, I would like to take a moment to address about the software and the hardware properties. So apparently, the project was developed upon system which was equipped with Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB RAM. You can run it on a 8 GB RAM as well, but processing might take a bit more time than what it took for us. So NextQ is hosted on cloud platforms. We are planning it on hosting it on cloud platforms, and then we are making use of tools and frameworks like Python for backend and Flask API for front end, React for front end design, MongoDB for secure data storage. So, on an overall, in conclusion, XQ is not just a project, it's a transformative tool. It simplifies the access to legal information, reducing the burden on traditional consultation methods, democratizes legal knowledge for all. By leveraging the AI technologies, NextQ paves the way for innovative solutions in legal domain. So thank you for your attention. I hope this project gave you a clear. I hope this presentation gave you a clear understanding of my project. For further details, you can find the complete source code and the setup instructions in my GitHub repository, which will be linked below in the description. So this is Mahesh Muthu signing off. Have a great day. Thank you so much for this opportunity to provide my insights into my project idea. So, hi, I would like to start by first helping us to familiarize with the code that we have made use of, uh, and the concepts of the ideas again. So, we have made use of the ingest.py and models.py. Let me go through on why we are making use of this ingest.py or model.py. So, in ingest.py, it is like basically used in order to handle like the data ingestion process by like collecting and preparing raw data from various sources like CSV files, the PDF files, APIs, etc., and several other. And it is also used to like clean and pre-process the data by addressing missing values and removing duplicates. It transforms the categorical variable into numerical formats to ensure that compatibility with the machine learning model that we will be like the ideology we will be making use of. And it is also used to like store process data in like a structured format, pandas data frames or database. And the main reason is that it to make the accessing part during the analysis easier task. And to talk about the models.py, we have made use of. Uh, It is like basically used to build and train and then evaluate the machine learning model to generate like the predictions and then the answer or queries through the chatbot. So it like selects an appropriate model type. We have to like select an appropriate model type, like linear regression or decision tree based upon our project's requirement, and train the model using the cleaned data from the ingest.py, and split it into train and testing sets for validation purposes, and assess the model's performance using like evaluation metrics such as accuracy and precision and recall. And it is also used to like apply the trained model to make predictions on new and unseen data, which we'll be working upon. And for now I will try to like execute the project, and so I will run the command chainlet run model.py, which will provide us with the system. So now we will try to run the chatbot by typing this command. Chain- chain- So I hope you can see our chatbot. It starts by saying, "Hi, welcome to Lawbot. What is your query?" So let us try to ask an appropriate query according to the dataset we have made use of the Indian Penal Code. So let us ask a basic question like, what is intellectual property rights? And yes, here we get the answer. Intellectual property rights refers to the legal rights granted to creators of creative works such as books, music, and art. These rights allow creators and so on. So apparently it is provided the answer, but not just the answer, but also the metadata of where the answer is from. So yes, thank you.